This is what I get to wake up to. Stupid car alarm. It's been going off for like 20 minutes. Maybe even 25 at this point. Crap. Probably on some crappy car too. Damn car that keeps on. It's still going. Yep. I don't even know whose car that is. Now I just can't figure it out. Oh goody. Now I'm not going to be able to get out either. Okay, so I work graveyard. And on my days off, I pretty much keep that schedule. You know, stay up late, blah blah blah. I mean, that's when I get my stuff done. Because by the time I get home on my Friday, I'm so pooped out that I usually just go to sleep. Of course, it's a vicious cycle. So you go to sleep, you wake up at your regular time, which is in the afternoon, usually early afternoon, and then proceed with my day. Well, because I've had so much sleep and I am a night owl, I end up staying up, doing whatever I do, just like any other normal person would do. And then I go to sleep at usually between 4 and 6 on my days off, just because sometimes I do get tired and I go to sleep early. Excuse me. And then, but if not, yeah, I stay up until 6 or so. And then go to bed in the morning. And with that being said, this morning was no different. I stayed up, and my kids pretty much had this almost the same schedule because they work swing. Yeah. They work. One of them works swing. The other one doesn't, so he goes to bed relatively early. Sorry if you can't see me with the steering wheel in the way. Anyway, so I was getting ready for bed. I mean, I was getting down to where I was getting tired, and I keep on thinking my neck still kills me. It's a little bit better today. A little bit. But I'm still in pain. I just took a couple more Advil. And that usually takes the edge off, but it doesn't get rid of the headache or anything. But anyway, I was starting to relax just a little bit. And I'm thinking, okay, I'm going to be able to go to sleep. I can never get comfortable in bed. And one of the boys get up to get ready for work, and he usually has somebody come pick him up, and so he hadn't left yet, and I'm literally about to just close my computer and conk out. And he comes in and says, I don't think my friend's coming to pick me up. Maybe I got the days wrong or something. Could you take me to work? And I'm like, crap, seriously? Nothing worse than knowing that you get to go to sleep and then find out that you can't. The worst. So, got my ass up, got dressed because this girlfriend doesn't wear pants most of the time in her house, and went and drove him to work. By this time, the sun's up bright and early. You've got all the morning commuters with their cup of joe going this way or that, trying to get to their work on time. And I'm just grumpy that I can't go to sleep, but try to be in a good mood for your kids or anybody around you, so you don't bring the people down or whatever it is. So got home finally, took some more medicine because I was getting all knotted up again, and passed out. Then my alarm kept on going off, but my son hadn't called me yet to come pick him up, and I knew I had to pick him up. So I had the alarm set for 5 hours later for me to come and pick him up because he only had a half day. By the time I got around, I kept on snoozing it because I didn't get the phone call yet, and all of a sudden, this damn little punk ass Honda CRV or whatever it is, the alarm's just going off. I finally left, as you guys can see. I finally left, and it had been almost a half an hour. I'm sure it's still going. So as I'm laying there trying to get precious moments of sleep that I know that I'm allowed today, because I'm okay because it's my day off. I'm not really gonna freak out, but this girl likes to sleep. This girl wants her sleep. So for that to happen, I'm like, oh my God. And it's right outside my bedroom window, right outside both of our windows. So I'm sure the other two that are sleeping now are, maybe not, they're probably just out. But I was so irritated. I'm like, seriously, I had a couple more minutes, and then now this damn alarm got, and top it all off, I get a banging on my door, and it's one of the managers, and she's like, is that your car? And like, she had attitude, and I can understand it, because I was like, are you fucking serious? Sorry. Yeah. I'm like, no, that's not my car. She's like, it's not any of the boys. I'm like, nope, they don't have cars yet. I got my car's way over there, and I don't even have an alarm. So she's like, oh, so she was all frustrated trying to run around. So apparently it's probably somebody's car that they didn't register through the apartment. So now they're trying to run around trying to figure out whose car it is. So that's a little irritating. That was my morning. Maybe. Pretty when it wants to be. Oh, and there's my son. He's all angry. We'll have to turn around.
See you later.
Alright. Dropped off one, picked up the same one. Now I'm dropping off the other one. To work, that is. Boys need to make my money. Just joking. Bye. Now I get to go home and do mom stuff. Yay. My neck is feeling a little bit better. Nice. It's still kinky, but ugh. Kinky as in bad kinky, not good kinky. Hey guys, I didn't tell you if it was, did I tell you that was Thursday? Okay, maybe I did, I don't know. It's Thursday, and I think I told you about how I had to go pick up the boys or whatnot, and the damn car alarm. I have drugged myself up, and I don't know if it's the pills or, pills, like I'm a pill popper, aspirin, ibuprofen, don't get crazy. I don't know if it's that or I'm feeling much better, although when I did take some medicine. I still felt crappy, and now I'm just like, yay! Not to mention I'm having a green monster smoothie, so that always helps me too. But I got this in the mail, la da da, and I want to see what it is. I think it's my faux pearl necklace that I won on Listia for that Facebook thing, which I shouldn't have got it. Oh, yep, it is. What? I know it's just a plastic little necklace, but I love it. I love it. What? Let me see. Let's try it on. Let's try it on. See if I can get it on my head. No? Well, it'll look good for that. No. Okay. Let's see. I'll put you down. Oh, yeah. Susie Little Homemaker. There it is. It's just a cheap little fake pearl necklace thing, but I'm all about costume jewelry. I don't need to get crazy serious about all of it. But yeah, I love it. I'm glad it came. It came sooner than what I thought. And I got it for free on Listia. I don't know if you know anything about that, but you bid on things. It's like a big garage sale, except you just use your points. I mean, you do have to pay for shipping and handling, but I didn't have to with this. So that's a good deal for me. But anyway, I'm gonna take this up right now. Oh god. I ended up getting 4 videos done. And of course my vlogging, not that there was much to do or not much to see other than me doing my videos. I am going to cook dinner now because it's late, and drink my damn smoothie. Makes me feel good. And that's about it, I think. Yeah, and I'm feeling so much better. Did I already tell you that? I do. I feel so much better. I don't get to see my guy this week, which I'm a little sad about, but I think we both needed some rest because we were both under the weather, so that's all right. Next weekend's coming, and we'll be like 100%. Yeah. All right. Now let's go get some lunch on, or dinner, or whatever it is. What is it? Dinner? Why are all my lights on? Every single light is on. Oh dear. Ah! I didn't tell you I was a good cook. I drinking my green smoothie, almost done. It's so good. Let's go check on the dinner. Hope I didn't burn it more. A little bit longer. I put on here so nobody will walk in while I'm doing things. Oh, Mr. Carmen, what's down? Amos's dessert banana shortcake. Yum. See how good of a mom I am? I even make them banana shortcake just because I love them. I'll even give it to him. I won't even let him come up to get it.
Yeah. I just get to sit here and do that. Look at that.
Let's see if you like it. Is it heaven? Yep.
Oh yeah.
That's about it. So I think I'm going to end the vlog for Thursday here. And tomorrow's my Monday. But I think I got a lot of stuff done, being that I wasn't feeling very well this weekend. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye.